Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James, and he's going to help us unbox another Ryans World toy. What toy do we have today, James?
Today we have the Ryans Busterz egg. It includes squishy egg, awesome goo, and a mystery toy.
Great, let's open the toy.
Here we go.
Oh wow, it's a purple egg.
Let's squish it out.
It's a squishy egg. Oh, I can see the toy.
You can see the toy right
Yes.
here. Just a little sneak peek.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so here I am opening the mystery egg. Let's see what we got. We got some purple goo
Ooh.
and a toy.
There's a toy inside. That is
Let's see
so
what
cool. What is that?
It looks like it's a pet keychain. It's a red pet.
Oh, that's awesome.
Let's go to the slime right here. Ooh, look at this slime. Look at this.
That's awesome.
Purple slime. Look how good that looks.
Oh, wow. Now, children, we're going to talk about Anthony Robbins' quote. Today's quote says, "A real decision is measured by the fact that you've taken a new action. If there's no new action, you haven't truly decided." That means if you decide to be a good boy or a girl, or if you want to be a star athlete in school, or you want to have the best results in school, you have to take actions. So you can't just say, "I want to be the best student," and you don't read or study. You can't say, "I want to be the best actor," and you don't learn your lines. So every real decision is measured by the fact that you've taken a new action towards that decision. If you've learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel: it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.